This home care website I made with AI, without coding, without trying to move some element and being frustrated for hours. It's effective and quick. So let me show you what I built. I got best home care for your loved ones, browse plans, view services. Here you're gonna have the range of services. Then you're gonna have the right care for loved ones, video here, our team. Then you're gonna have browse plans here again, testimonials that work. I got contact form that also works, and I click here browse plans. So I have the plans here, and can click choose plans here, and I get in touch again, contact for. I got fully working about page, and then I got also reviews here. I can click services here, and I can click on each service, and you have the description of the service with the get in contact with us on the right. While I read, the get into contact stays on the right. Also working a footer with the address and everything on the bottom right. How insane is that? You have no idea how long something like this would take to make on WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, whatever you want to use. And it blew my mind how good this was. So let me show you how you can do it also. So I'm going to use Claude Design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account. Now, we're not going to straight up start writing into Claude Design what we want, all right? What we're going to do first is we have to find some template that we're going to use as an inspiration. So you're going to come here and write home care website template, Webflow or Figma, or you're going to write even Framer. And you are going to write here, and it's going to show you plenty of templates to choose from. Find some that you like, and then we have to just download it as an image. So we're going to write to Google Website to PNG, and you're going to download it as an image to the website and put it to the Claude Design. I already did that. So now I start writing prompt. So make me a website for home care like I'm sending you in this image. I want there to have more to green or purple. So what kind of colors you would like? So I want to have it similar to what you see on the website, with pricing plan as a separate page, services on a separate page, have 4 services that you can click on. It's going to open another page for the specific service, have separate page about us, have their images from internet added. I don't want to have a card there, don't want to have a blog there, similar footer. For header, I want there also the buying section that goes over the header, just like you just describe what you want and don't want on the website. Now, another thing is that is also important is that tell it to ask me questions about the design, information, navigation, and also animation. So ask me a question about design, information, navigation, animation, and let's just click here. I'm going to change the model to Fable 5. You can do it with 4.8, but this is more bigger site that I want. Then we're gonna see how the Fable 5 is going to do it and how effective it's going to be. So now I'm going to just send it. And first it's going to ask me questions about it, because if it would be just a landing page, I would go with the Opus. But I want to use a Fable 5 because it's bigger, and I never used, by the way, Fable 5 for just the generation of the websites. So we're gonna see how it's going to work out. All right, so what is the business name? And I'm just going to write here, made it up for, I will change it later. So we're just gonna write here the business name, which for services I include. Let's just even write those that are presented. Which green fields are right, and let's go with, I don't know, this one. Yeah, I don't know which to decide. Let's go with this one and we will see. Pricing plans. Yourself. Keep the monthly toggle on the pricing page. Let's go only, yes, monthly and yearly toggle. Head navigation items, home, about, services, pricing, and also add their reviews. Contact link button. Which homepage sections to keep? So hero with contact cards, services, carousel support, why choose us, facilities, video section, team, testimonials, contact form. Let's go with that. What should the about page include? Let's say company story mission. Again, I'm just answering the questions that it created for me. Team members with photos, stats, years, client stuff. Okay. Then service detail page, keep the reference layout. Yes. Do you want to separate contact page? Yes, let's go with that. How much animation? We can go subtle fade, slide in and scroll, hover effects on cards and buttons. That's good. Keep the fact section on the pricing page. Yes. Caregivers and sinners from stock photo source online. Yes. Website language English. And if you can have anything else, things to avoid, things like you're going to write it here. Also, you can add it to the prompt that you don't want to like ask me a question if anything else, so I can write it. Now we got it, and now what I'm going to press is I still don't know about the color side. I can decide. Let's go with this one. Continue. So this is what it made, and it looks very good. So here I got Fable 5, but if you're gonna use it on Opus 4.8, go effort and go high or max, so it can do a lot of work, or you can do things one at a time. So I'm going to show you how it looks like and what it made. Look at that. So we got a side, we got a header, a wide range of services, the right care for your loved ones, then the video here, testimonials here, contact form that we can edit. Then we're gonna have about us page, then services. I can click on the view service, and I got fully service with the contact form. Then I got also pricing here with FAQ as I wanted. Then I got the reviews here, like look at that, and contact. Isn't this insane? So yeah, this is what it made. We need to do still some edits. So what you have to do now is like how to do edits. That's the question, right? So you're gonna come here, and either you're gonna write to Claude, or on the top left you're gonna write comment, and you're just gonna take this, for example, it's like, okay, I want to change something here. I want you to change the design, or I got also the edit here on the top right. And when you're gonna click, for example, you can change the text by yourself. So you don't have to let the Claude do it. You can change it. Or also you can change the image behind. So that's something that you can actually do by yourself, that you can edit. Like for example, okay, we got the header pops, so we're gonna have the YouTube links. So if you want, you can come here and even write to, okay, these are my links for social media sites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, added on the top right. Then I can come here and I can change the number by myself. You know, it's like all of that you can do by yourself. So edit, let's go back. And now, for example, I'm going to show you how you can add a contact form. So to add it, we need to come to Web3 Forms. So we're going to come here, web3forms.com. And you're just going to wait until it's going to load. And then you need to log in. It's completely for free. You don't have to pay for it. So I will click here, continue with email. And I'm just going to get the email address here. And I'm going to click send verification code. And now I will just wait. And 120. Okay. And now you will get a code that then you can use. So continue, agree. And we're going to have free, where you're going to have 250 monthly submissions and you don't have to pay for it. Here you're going to write the website. We will get the website soon, and also with the domain. And then this is just the API key that you're going to send, and also the HTML code. So I have Web3 Forms. Please replace the form with my API key. And here is HTML code, so I get the messages for all intakes. Okay, so now I'm just going to send it also the HTML, and then it's going to do the work. Of course, you need to also edit, you know, it's like the Instagram, things like that, so you have to play around with it, but a lot of the stuff was actually made for us. Last thing I want is to have buttons interactive, so when I hover over them, they do some kind of animation. Okay, so I'm going to send these two things. While it's doing that, I'm going to show you how you can get a domain. So, and hosting. Down below in the description, click on the link, you will get right here to hostinger.com. And here you're gonna get the domain and hosting also with 10% off. So we're gonna choose the premium plan. You can go also with unlimited websites with the unlimited plan, but the premium is going to be sufficient. And right here, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna choose 48 months. And if you want to have 12 months, that's up to you. But the more months you're going to have, the lesser you got monthly payment. And then you're going to have the domain. So here is like my domain here that I can register. And you're going to first year completely for free. Coupon code right here, Marcus. When you're going to write the Marcus coupon code, and we're going to have only 1 year for, if you want to 1 year, then you would like pay for it after the year. Here you're going to have $158.88 for 48 months. In my opinion, it's a good price for 4 years for hosting. Now, when you're going to have it and you would purchase it, don't install any, please. It's like the Hostinger, website builder, the WordPress, don't do it, anything like that, okay? So look at that. Now we did it. We have it also, the view services, that it kind of like pops up here. That's very good. Now we're going to write, when you're going to have the website finished, just right here, please export me the main page as index.html and all other pages related to it. Also HTML, so I can upload it for my domain and hosting, and give me here the downloading. Okay, so here, this is something that you just need to write. Give me the HTML, and we got it. Look at that, and we have like fully working website. Then you just have to change the video, but you know how to do it already. You're just gonna click on it, and then click like edit here, and then you would just like change it. That's it. So here, when I have it, what I have to do, I have to come to Hostinger. Then you're gonna come to profile. And right here on the profile, you're gonna have websites, and you're gonna have a company, like your site here, you're gonna find. And there you wanna click dashboard. So click on dashboard, and then you wanna come to the files and file manager. And look at that. So we have it. Right now, the fully working website. And with all the HTML. We're going to have access file. And we're just going to upload it to it. So let's just see here, public HTML. We're going to delete everything that is here. And then you just want to upload all of this to your site. If there is going to be any error or something, that's fine. Now we're going to check it out if it actually worked out or no. If it didn't work out, we're just going to make some edits. Look at that. Perfect. How great is this? And now let's test out contact. Thank you for the message. And now when I go to Web3 Forms, we have the submission. Everything works perfect. Like, you have no idea how much time this would take to make through WordPress, Wix, whatever thing. And this works. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video was helpful, and have a great day and goodbye.